Imagine waking up to endless ocean views, a peaceful retreat where details match the comforts of home. A renovation inspired by the sea. Welcome to Figure 8, North Carolina. At the heart of the home, a newly designed stone fireplace brings warmth and sophistication. This natural focal point complements the serene ocean backdrop, creating a cozy space where family and friends can gather and enjoy the beauty of Figure 8 Island. The kitchen was transformed to blend beauty with function. Teak countertops bring a rich coastal character, durable enough for daily family use, yet elegant enough to elevate the design. It's a space crafted for both everyday moments and memorable gatherings. To enhance the home's airy coastal charm, we repainted the entire interior with a fresh, cohesive palette. This subtle transformation creates a unified feel across every room, adding light and continuity to the space. Each bathroom was carefully redesigned to reflect both functionality and personal style. With distinctive tile patterns, high-end fixtures, and elegant finishes, these spaces add a touch of luxury while maintaining the home's coastal aesthetic. For a touch of playfulness, we added a new bunk room, ideal for guests, with a unique hidden door leading to private space. This feature brings a sense of adventure to the home, making it perfect for hosting friends and family. Living on Figure 8 Island means embracing the natural beauty of your surroundings. From the sea to the sound, this residence captures that essence. At Tongue and Groove Design Build, we believe in crafting homes that capture our clients' imagination. We imagine with you, we build for you, and you live your life without regret.